Hemmed up in a castle built on sand, I attempted to embellish on my surroundings with trappings that would draw wealth. There you stood, the reconstructor my captor hired. At first glance, vibrations jumped between us like quantum leaps, but shook it off. You were hired for one purpose. Eve after eve, you'd come to renovate and add on to my home. You were adding to my curiosity. I always found excuses to check on you, to see if you had thirst or hunger. I turned to retreat back to my quarters. Yep, caught you checking me out. Each day that passed, we became more chatty. A phrase caught you off guard and you asked, "Wait, aren't you married?" Mercy, no. Who told him that? Apparently, my overseer gave an optic of it being fact. I spilled wholeheartedly that warmth of my body in bed had lack, but my scruples were intact. Stockholm Syndrome is a real thing. Saddened I was the occasion when there was a day or two without repair. The casual chats and attention I missed. I explained I soon needed the restoration complete, for I was plotting my escape. Far away from here, far away from here, far away from here. That very night, I'll call him Francis, came to work on the house. Chit-chat as usual, yet different now knowing I hadn't a spouse. There was that lonely feeling in my stomach's pit again. I suspect he felt it too when the work was soon to end. He gathers his food as we walk to the garden door, offers me his ackee and codfish with red beans and rice. I happily accept, was starving that night. I'm soon grabbed by the nape of my neck and pulled toward him as two magnets respond with opposite charge. Our soft lips became one satiny dream, and I collapsed in his arms as I would imagine a soul who walked across the hot desert coming upon living water. At last, what seemed to be forever, yet ended too quickly for me. All we could do was look at each other, wanting so much more. He told me that he's been wanting to do that from first seeing me. I had been wanting him too. He gathered his tools and grabbed my chin, turned and left for the night, both of us anticipating tomorrow. And I slept with the biggest smile on my face that night. Wanted, adored, connected. Hell, I was sexy. This is PonderQwan, the writer, Kwanubian, PQ.